Start creating a new material. I call it wall breaks maybe. And stuff with the gradient linear free. We actually need the outside, so the invert grayscale and copy and paste. Rotation to 90. Take the blend node and set the blending node to multiply. Take the brick generator and I'll go 5, 6 maybe. Take another blend node and blend them together. So you want the black gradient is going to delete some of the bricks we don't need, and the lighter ones is gonna appear. So take the histogram scan and set the contrast to max so you can get these hard lines. I put a little bit more maybe to show some of the small ones, so 7.8 is good for me. You can play around and see which one you like more. So take the bevel node so we can create something 3D that looks 3D. So not too much, maybe maybe 15 is good. So take another polygon. Now we're gonna do the damage. So polygon and take the splatter, and you can play around with this. Maybe I'm gonna put some 400 and 700. Go down, set the luminance variation to 1, and it looks alright. Maybe a bit more, I don't know, 720 is fine. You can get the grid number to 3 so they can be a bit bigger. Random rotation to max so it can actually look like it's damaged. So from here, go to histogram scan, and I kind of wanted to not show that many black edges, because the black edges are going to be the actual damage. So from here, take the blend node and put them into multiply, I think. So let's see. So this is pretty good for me. So next, polygon 2. So this is gonna be the middle splatter node. Something like this is fine. Always set luminance variation to 1, and maybe drag this to 65 maybe. Random rotation to max again. So I actually don't like this that much. It doesn't look like an actual wall that's beneath. Let me see. So I think this is good. So set the grid number to 2 so you can actually see the scale of the wall. Go take histogram scan and histogram range. Adjust the position. I want to show more depth to it, and the range is gonna be a bit less bright, so the bricks are going to go over the actual inner wall. So if the inner wall is too bright, then it's going to like rival the bricks. Set to max. think that's okay. That's pretty good for me. So from here, take the base colors, set the gradient map, attach them together with the normal, and delete these ones, and get the HBO. So I think that's good. It doesn't look that well, because we need to change the actual color. I think this. Okay, let me see. So also set the intensity to 3 on the normal. Maybe I'll change it higher later. So I wanna make this kind of like pale yellow kind of. You can set the color. You can experiment. I don't know why it's so bright. Let me see. Okay, let me see the. Okay, so I made this. So this is the code. I feel like this is good for me. You can. This is my preference. So, but that's the code. Just copy and paste. I feel like this is good for me. Looks alright. Run a cylinder so you can see the actual change. Let me get the selection out. You can apply this on the 99 on the Unreal Engine. It's gonna be looking the same. So I think this is good. Let me see from here. You can change the actual intensity of the normal, so has a bit more depth into it. See, it's a bit more HD, but the lines are actually a bit harder. So I'm gonna be maybe 4, maybe 6 is good, but 4 I think is looking better. So I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.